SVR for my county.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Mobile County in north-central Illinois, Lee County in north-central Illinois, Winnebago County in north-central Illinois.
Aw, crap, my county is tornado possible. Shit.
4 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Pearl City to near Annawan, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expects considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Pecatonica and Lake Somerset around 7:05 p.m. Durand around 7:10 p.m. Sublette and Woodhaven Lakes around 7:15 p.m. Beloit, McChesney Park, Roscoe, South Beloit, and Rockton around 7:25 p.m. Paw Paw around 7:30 p.m. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 78 and 123. Interstate 88 between mile markers 45 and 82. Interstate 90 between mile markers 0 and 18. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. This is a dangerous situation.
Whoa.
These storms are producing widespread wind damage.
Whoa, is it PDS?
Shelter now inside a
Okay, no,
sturdy
it's
structure and
not.
Stay away from windows.
Damn.
A tornado
Wording.
watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for north-central Illinois.